Being able to forecast and utilise real-time data is essential for companies to grow and to be successful. Sizewell C is going to be the construction and operation of a new nuclear power station. The two main challenges that we face when it comes to building a nuclear power station are to ensure that we build it safely and securely, but secondly, that we've got the workforce and capacity to enable us to build the station to time, cost and quality on behalf of the UK government. Anaplan is the forerunner when it comes to forecasting tools. Being able to use Anaplan's predefined applications enabled us to deploy quicker, faster and cheaper, taking away significant degrees of effort from our users to support the development of those applications. Everything we do is out-the-box functionality. Sizewell C took the decision to utilise best-in-practice processes that Anaplan have used to build their applications, removing the need for manual download-uploads via spreadsheets and having everything automated within one system has proved beneficial. I'm Andy Haines, IT Programme Manager at Sizewell C, and we plan with Anaplan.